Hit me what's up? Boy, that thing, goddamn, boy, I can't get enough of this motherfucker when you come through here, boy. I love this. Woo! Look at the smoke on it. Look at the smoke on that. Look at that. Y'all see that? My boy took it all the way down the street. Look at that. Yeah, I wish my V6 can do that. Oh, man. He burnt them up. Look. Who want me to make a tire for them? I make a tire for you with this. That's what them MOPARs do right there. See that? Straight rubber. I know who did this. I don't say no names. That's how we do out here. You know what I'm saying? You don't say no names about nothing. But you see them strips right there? My boy did that. But guess what? I respect it. I like how you drive your MOPAR. Real MOPAR. You hear me?